Hello student, today we are going to learn what is heat engine and also efficiency of heat engine from second law of thermodynamics. In case of heat engine, we do not use the term COP of heat engine. COP generally we use in case of refrigerator. Okay. In normal case, efficiency means output by input. Now, what is heat engine? In thermodynamics, a heat engine is a system that converts heat energy to mechanical energy, which can then be used to do mechanical work. Here, a working substance flows from higher state temperature to a lower state temperature. Okay, this is the figure of heat engine cycle. This is hot body, higher temperature heat source T2 temperature. This is the heat engine. This is the cold body, lower temperature heat sink, temperature T1. Here T1 temperature greater than T ambient. T ambient means temperature of ambient, temperature of atmosphere or surrounding. Here source temperature T2, hot body temperature T2 always greater than sink temperature T1, always greater than cold body temperature T1. Okay. Here Q2 amount of heat delivered from hot body to the engine. Q2 heat, it is the heat input to the engine. A part of the heat Q2 is used for work WE. A part of the heat energy Q2 is converted to mechanical work WE. Then Q1 amount of heat rejected to the sink. Q1 amount of heat rejected to the cold body. Q1 equal to Q2 minus WE. Okay, here WE work output, WE work output equal to Q2 minus Q1. Okay, now we find out performance of the engine, performance of the heat engine. Efficiency engine, eta engine equal to work output WE by heat input Q2, heat input Q2, heat delivered to engine Q2. Work output WE समान Q2 minus Q1. Work output equal to heat input Q2 minus heat rejected Q1 by heat input Q2 equal to Q2 minus Q1 by Q2. This is the efficiency of the engine. It is expressed in percentage. It is expressed in percentage. Heat engine operates at around 30 to 50% efficiency due to some practical limitation. According to second law of thermodynamics, it is impossible for heat engines to achieve 100% thermal efficiency. Okay, it is clear, my student. Thank you.